Welcome to my Car and Train channel. I want to share with you today this railcar, this mail postal office railcar. In the distance you can see the hook system that was used to drop the mail or pick it up from the platform of the train station into the rail car.
Most of the fellows, I'd say 99% of them, were all for one, not for all, because anybody that was stuck, if somebody else got up on his meal, it will help the fellow that was stuck. Because nobody sat down and rested or laid asleep or anything else unless everybody was up. Nobody stopped to eat until everybody could eat. And it was just that I help you, you help me, and we're done.
1977, that was the last train.
This is where all the bags
The working mail train that
were
ever
hanging.
It was a glorious affair, full of tears and all like that. But I think if the trains were running today, I would still be on, and I'm sure some of the others.
And the sorting boxes here.
But that was the last problem. And that's a sad story.
We are back on the platform. Thanks for watching this video. I have many more rail cars on my Car and Train channel.